What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Friday, October 8th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, today we're doing the show from Raministan. Right here. Actually, I had the regular stock market background ready to go, and literally this was a terrible close. Everything sold off towards the end of the day, so actually all the major indexes finish in the red. So very last minute change, we're doing the show from Raministan instead of the stock exchange. So yeah, that kind of sucks. But yeah, I got a great show for you guys today. What's up, 1010? What's up, Joe? Appreciate you guys for being here, as always. Looks like people starting to come in. A little slow to come in today, but people should start to come in pretty soon. And there's Tim Crawford. What's up, man? Appreciate you for being here. So yeah, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have a few articles, some news today. But they're all about the same thing. About the jobs report that came out today, or related to it. So we'll get to that, and today for the analysis, we'll be going over CEI Camber Energy, of course. That was number 1 today on StockTwits. SHIB Shiba Inu. Again, talking about that one. That was number 2 on StockTwits. CCXI, which I made a play on. We'll get to that in a second. But yeah, this was a major runner today. And this was number 4 on StockTwits today. So we'll discuss that. Uh-oh. Looks like I got a sell here in the aftermarket. Looks like it's going down. And SNDL, Sundial Growers. And BBIG, Vinco Ventures. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to, panic dump this right here. This is not good. I'm actually going to set it at 38. Or maybe I shouldn't panic dump. Let's just take 38, whatever. On CCXI I'm talking about. Should be hitting here pretty soon. And there it goes. All right, so I'm out of CCXI. Did pretty okay here. Made like 650, it looks like. Yeah, 650. So I was up 1,000 earlier. So I'll take 650, you know. Lost $350 there. But that's all right. I will gladly take 650. That's a 13% gain there. So very happy. All right, so yeah. And so we'll get to all of those stocks today. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. All right. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Let's do it. Boom. All right. Thank you very much, Tim Crawford. Give myself the applause on that one. All right, so as always, we'll go over my plays today first. So we just saw, well, you just heard me talk about CCXI Chemocentryx. So this one was running in the pre-market because it had some positive PR, some good trial results or something. Don't know, don't really care. So yeah, so this was mooning in the pre-market. I actually shorted this one down at... Actually shorted it at 30, and then I reshorted at 36. And then it actually came down below 30 and I was up over $1,000, and then it started getting the price upgrades. Don't want to spoil it, but this got a few price upgrades. It started running to the upside. I was like, oh hell no. Ended up covering at like 33, which was a small gain. So I made a small gain on the short side. Then I flipped long at like 33.50 or something like that, and I just covered at 38. So damn, maybe I should have waited. It's going back up. I'm gonna be tight if this squeezes right now in the aftermarket. If it goes to like 45 or something. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. But yeah, you just saw that I made 13% on CCXI. Actually, it should be a little more, probably like 14% from the short side. But yeah, I just covered that and it's going up, so you already know how it goes. He sold. Pump it. Never fails. Anyway, moving on. So, EFTR, Effector Therapeutics. This one was mooning last night in the post market. If you guys remember, we took a look at this one, and I set an order for 1450. It hit this morning in the pre-market, so I was short at 1450, covered at 13 for I think 11% or something like that. So pretty happy about that. It came down to 12. So I could have waited a little longer, could have made a lot more money, but oh well, I will take it. RENN, so this one I shorted midday. It halted midday. I'm in at 23, so I'm actually underwater here a little bit, couple $100. So I'm currently bag holding this. Gonna hold through Monday, and whatever happens on Monday, I will cover that. Then we have SNDL, Sundial Growers, which we'll discuss this one 4th today, I believe. And this one was also running in the post market yesterday, if you guys remember. I think I went for it at the very end of the show, live Rainbow Bear. So I was in at 78 and covered at 68. So yeah, made over 10% there. Very happy. So yeah, overall, pretty good day for me today. You know, I did pretty well. Made a good amount of money here. I'm very happy. No complaints. I'm very grateful, especially, you know, with the markets finishing red here. So, yeah, good day for me today. Hope you guys, hope it was pretty good for you guys as well. CEI going to be a dumb again. 186% in the aftermarket. Yeah, it's going up in the aftermarket here. Back to 183. Crazy stock. Serious price action. And we'll cover that one first today. Market is still dumping after hour on no news. Maybe this is still jobs report related. Could be. Really don't know. That could be a factor. It should be a factor, but probably not the whole reason why. But nothing really makes sense anymore, you know? So, could be a number of reasons why. We should be down more than this. So it's a good thing that we're not more down. I guess 10-10. What's up, Marvin? Appreciate you for being here, man. As always. All right, so yeah, that's my plays for today. So let's move on to our watch list here. All right, so it looks like I did cover good on CCXI because now it's below 38. I should have taken 40. It was at 40. I was like, should I take it? Nope, it's going to 44. Got a little too greedy there, but I will take 38. All right. So let's do this. So the Dow Jones finishes down 0.03%. The Nasdaq finishes down 0.51%. And the S&P 500 finishes down 0.19%. So yeah, like I said earlier, pretty crazy day. I think everything started in the green, and then slowly started selling off throughout the day. for most of the day, the market was sideways. And towards the end of the day here, we have a very nasty close. Big sell-off right before market close here. So, yeah, not great, but I guess it could have been worse. Not the end of the world here. So let's take a look at some individual stocks. All right. So we got AMC down 2.49%. ATER down 6.74%. I'm surprised this wasn't on trending today. This wasn't top 10 on trending on StockTwits, because this still is a meme stock. No, yes. And that's a pretty big move there. So really surprised I didn't hear anything about on StockTwits about this stock today. We got Alibaba up 3.54%. That's actually recovering. It went from 140 to 160 now. So, hey, maybe 140 was the bottom. Maybe we'll get some bounce here. Don't want to jinx it. Hopefully. BlackBerry down 2.19%. And CEI finishes down 3.93%. And running here in the aftermarket. So we'll discuss that first today. I don't even want to be honest. We've been talking about the stock way too much. And nothing has really changed, but it's number one today, and so we got to cover it. Oh, actually, I was in CEI. Did I say I was in? I didn't think I told you guys when I made my plays before. I totally forgot about CEI. So yeah, yesterday, if you guys remember, I was short CEI at 180. And it went really bad in the aftermarket and in the pre-market. It almost hit 240, or it hit 240 or something like that. And yeah, so I diamond balled it. I held through, and I covered all the way back at 170 for a small gain there. So unfortunately, didn't go the way I wanted, but I was able to escape for a small gain. Now we got DATS. We don't have. I'm reading the comments here. Joe, DATS. Yeah, that is running in the aftermarket here. Not good, because I actually made a quick scalp on that right before the market closed. So if this continues to run up, I'm gonna have to cover here. I'm down a little bit money here, down like a couple $100. So, ruh-roh, not good. And CCXI is coming back up. So I have to keep an eye on this. Hope your wife was able to get in on that meta dividend. Oh, I did peep that. Yeah, that meta dividend. I don't know. What was it up? Like 200%? Something ridiculous today. So I really don't know why. That's very odd. But yeah, congratulations to all you guys with MMAT dividend. $1 cost average in my TD account. So yeah, it's at like almost 2, right? I think it was. Yeah, it's at 190. So 90% gain there, Marvin. Congratulations, man. Very happy for you. What's up, Mitchell? Oh, by the way, Mitchell, that stock you talked about yesterday, MIC. So, yeah, there was a $37 dividend, but did you check the price today? It literally went from $40 to $3. So that would explain why that was possible, because the stock goes timber. Bought another 20K shares of the fake dividend. So, alright, so it sounds like Mitchell also made a fat gain today on the meta dividend. So congratulations to you guys, to all you guys who printed fat tendies on those today. Joe, be careful, Ty. Zach Morris has been pumping hard all day long. Yeah, that's why I went for it, you know? at the end of the day, I like to go for stocks near the daily high. So this was at like 1150. I was like, that's, you know, pretty high up there. This should come down in the aftermarket. So I made a play, and it's still running here. So clown on me. But yeah, you know, if it gets too crazy, I'm out of here. I'm gonna cover. But yeah, Zach Morris can suck one. Can suck on these, cause screw him. All this pumping and dumping and shilling, and he's just lining his own pockets here. How are these divvies tradable? That's a good question. Yeah, it is very risky and volatile, and I usually don't go for that type of stuff. So, I don't know. That is pretty weird. Can we look at the chart here? MMTLP. All right, well, this is the chart. So, oh, damn, this hit 320 today. What the hell? Really? This hit 320? Damn, you guys should have sold at 3. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm really not too familiar with dividend, to be honest. These, like, dividend stocks here. These, like, five letter tickers. Not really my field of expertise here. But, yeah, this is some crazy price action. So, yeah, let me guys know if you're going to hold or what. Because I think this can't keep up forever, right? Maybe it will. I don't know. I don't know how these things work. This is nuts. Seriously, no cap. I think this is going to be a overstock situation with the meta dividend, and if so, this is going to be life-changing cash. You mean where it's going to go from like $2 to 100? Like that? That would be something. That'd be something. I sure hope so. I hope you guys print the tendies. But, you know, that's pretty rare. But, you know, I certainly hope so. I thought we were supposed to get a set amount. Wasn't it 70 cents? I don't know how this stuff works. Well, normal dividend, yes. You're supposed to get cash credited to your account. So I'm not sure why you got awarded stock here. This special type of stock. Maybe because it's special dividend and not regular dividend. I really don't know. Got a video in the DD section in the group. All right, guys. So make sure to check that out. I'll check it out later. All right, Mitchell's holding. All right, back to the watch list here. Where was I? So yeah, CEI, we'll cover that. Clover, I mean, we're not going to talk about this today. I was surprised this one wasn't trending. Top 10 on StockTwits today. Because that had pretty good price action. Up 6%, 6.08%. Coinbase down 1.37%. What else we got going on here? DraftKings down 3%. DD up 4.34%. DD's been bouncing of late, past couple of days. So very nice day for DD there. Not too much price action. GM is up 3.77%. Interesting. Seems like the car manufacturers have been going up of late. And look at poor GREE, down another 5.83%. RIP to the bag holders. RIP to everyone still holding GREE. I don't know why you would be. Robinhood down 0.14%. Got cost down 2.47%. Yeah, really not too much price action here. Microvision, that's some, Microvision is down 5.79%. Good. That's back below 10. I remember way back when I started the channel, I told everyone to sell Microvision at $10, not $10, $30, and everyone's like, no, you're stupid, it's gonna squeeze. And then what happens? So, yeah, RIP to the Microvision bag holders there. Really not too much going on. We got Plug Power up 4.22%. Roblox down 5.83%. That's pretty nasty. Ride, Lordstown Motors down 3%. Rocket down 2.28%. Damn, Skills. Skills is down 9.04%. That's one of the meme stocks that Kathy Wood really likes. So, yeah, Kathy Wood getting wrecked there. And we got Sundial Growers up 5%. Very nice. And we'll cover this 1/4 today. Square down 4.28%. That's pretty nasty. Tilray down 4.81%. Also pretty nasty. Tesla down 1.02%. And that's about it. VRPX down 3%. So this was actually mooning yesterday in the post market. So yeah, that comes all the way back. Finishes in the red there. Wish down 3.28%. That's back to $5. Workhorse down 4.4%. XCLA down 2.37%. How did Leah and Neo do? I didn't even see those. Yeah, so Leah's down 1% and Neo down a little bit too. So yeah, Chinese EV not doing great today. Yeah, that's about it. So overall, it's actually pretty equal here. There is a good amount of green and a good amount of red. So yeah, just a nasty sell-off, but actually, it's actually not too bad. So I'm sure some people actually did make a good amount of money today. And the people who lost probably didn't lose too much. So yeah, hope you guys made money today. Hope you printed the tendies. And if not, hope it wasn't too bad. My account was 15K positive this morning when it hit 3. Damn, dude. So now it's probably back to like 10 or like 9 or something like that. That's still a fat gain, man. Congratulations. Very happy for you. This is apparently what the shorts will have to buy back when they cover. I'm holding, which is easy to do with the good as hell cost basis I have. There's actually people shorting that stuff. Shorting the dividend stock? The hell is wrong with people? I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't do it. But, yeah, that's awesome. I hope you squeeze those damn shorts out. I mean, you know, Rainbow Bear myself, but I hope you guys print the tendies on that one. Torchlight was 89 million shares short. Yeah, that's why it squeezed from, like, whatever it was. So, I don't remember what it went to, like 20 or something like that, from, like, a couple bucks. So, yeah, that legit got short squeezed. So, like some of these other meme stocks, and goes right back down. That damn Carlos. Yeah, Team Crawford gets the jokes now. The BitConnect jokes. I love that guy. What a legend. What a legend. And he lives in New York City, too. So, I don't know. Maybe one day, if I get big enough, I could get him in here and do an interview. That'd be pretty funny. I'd love to interview him. That'd be hilarious. Apparently, they've sold off half of the Torchlight assets. This is why it's possible to trade the dividend. Right. When they merged, I'm not sure exactly what the terms of that deal was, but they did sell off some assets, and so yeah, I guess that's why you can trade dividend now. That is some very weird dividend. Usually you get a cash deposit. $12. All right. Dividend is starting to be a better proposition than the actual MMAT shares. I know, right? Isn't that crazy? What is the market nowadays? Yeah, the dividend is better than the actual shares. It's true. Sad, but true. Still positive for today because that was on my Robinhood. I have 4,300 dividends from June. Damn. So, did you actually make your money back from the L you took on MMAT, Mitchell? With the dividend? Because if you did, then great, dude. Because I think you took an L on MMAT, right? So that's awesome if you could have made your money back and more there. Alright, guys. So that is the stock market for today. Let's move on to some crypto now. Well, before we do that, let's take a look at some aftermarket action here. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button, please? I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. Yeah, nothing going on just yet. Just CEI is the big runner right now. And CCXI is running here in the post-market. So I probably shouldn't have covered so early. Oh, well. All right, let's get to crypto. Crypto. 1 second. Needs to get to $10. The dividend stock needs to get to $10. Damn, that's a long way to the upside. I think damn near everyone took an L on MMAT. Pretty much. Everyone here, at least. And everyone on StockTwits. And Wall Street Bets. Damn, CCXI is running to 39 now. Why did I cover at 38? I just panic covered there. Clown on me. I'm just watching this here. It never fails. He sold. Pump it. So yeah, I'm just watching this run up right in front of my face here. Never fails. Okay, crypto time. I need a divvy to hit 10 to be well in the green meta. I sure hope it does, but let's be realistic, guys. Probably going to be a while before we see 10, unless, I don't know, it legit short squeezes. The dividend stock short squeezes. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Damn, it just hit 39. Clown on me. Alright. Better safe than sorry sometimes. Better safe than sorry all the time. Okay, here's crypto. That is up 0.81% today. Yeah, I mean, I'm not complaining. It just never fails, is all I'm saying. The market makers know exactly what I'm doing. They're screwing with me. Never fails. So, alright, look. We have Nano Dogecoin now. Nano Dogecoin up, whatever this is, 1 billion%. What is this? 1230813296555%. The hell is that? That's literally like 1 trillion%. What? Nano Dogecoin? Can I click on this? Look at this. What is this? Nano Dogecoin, number 3,330. Well, yeah, it's 38 bucks. What did it start at today? So it went from 0.00, a bunch of zeros, 3872 to $38 in a day. What the hell? Where can you buy this set? I have no idea. Let's check. Pancake Swap. That's it. Pancake Swap. So there's only one place you can get it. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. All right. Back to this. And then we still have FOMO Baby, which is up another 387% today. That's been mooning the past couple of days. These damn poop coins. Yeah, buy Nano Dogecoin at your own risk, guys. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. So we got Bitcoin up a little bit, up 0.46%. Pretty sideways. A lot of sideways action here. Ether is pretty sideways. Cardano down 1.21%. Binance down 4.86%. XRP sideways. Solana up 3.65%. Polkadot down 1.69%. Dogecoin up 1.17%. Chainlink down 1.38%. Avalanche pretty sideways. Litecoin pretty sideways. Pretty sideways day. Pretty sideways day here. But it does look more bullish than bearish. Let's break this down. So we got Harmony up 35%. Actually, a good amount of price action here. We got 4 coins in the double digits. And, yeah, about half the coins here are in the green. So, yeah, it's about half and half, green and red, and some pretty good price action on the green today. Harmony, Phantom, Ontology. Ontology? I remember Ontology. You got that for free when you held Neo. Interesting. Elgaran, Filecoin. Urine Finance. What the hell is that? I never heard of this. Urine Finance. Sia Coin. Oh, yeah, I remember that one too. I used to have that. And Shiba Inu 7%. Let's take a look at the red here. So, yes, pretty good. Not too much. So, half the coins are in the red, but there's not too much price action. So, significantly more price action on the green than the red. So, yeah, you know, pretty good day for crypto. Nothing too crazy, but hey, we'll take it. We'll take it. So, yeah, guys, that is crypto. Hope you guys printed tendies on this today as well. So, let's move on to... Let's move on to our news now about the jobs report. Who wants to buy P? Urine coins? Urine coin? What is that? Is that actually a thing? Urine coin? Let me type it. Urine? Doesn't say any urine coin here. Maybe I'm missing something. Nano Dogecoin, you could have been a multi-millionaire just by putting $100 in it. Yeah, right. Up a trillion. What is this number, actually? So that's million, billion. So it's 100 billion. It went up over 100 billion% today. One more digit, it would have went up 1 trillion% today. Insane, insane. All right, so give me 1 second. Let me pull up the news articles here. I use urine luck at work. Maybe they're related. What is urine luck? I don't even want to know. All right. What's up, Monir? Thanks for being here, as always. Appreciate you, man. Nice to see you today as well. Monir, are you in the Discord? I don't think you are. If you want to, you can join the Discord, dude. The link is in the description. Because you're here quite a lot, so I think you would enjoy being in the Discord as well. You know, we talk about our plays for the day, and we'd be glad to have you. But thanks for being here, man. Drug test substitute. Oh, all right. So it's for your it's for hiding the reefer. the reefer in your urine. But I thought it's legal now. Well, it depends on your state. In New York and New Jersey, no one cares anymore. You can't legally decline someone for failing weed on their drug test. Should be that way. Alright. So I hear a siren coming. I'm just going to talk over it, guys. Sorry about that. So we have a few articles here about our jobs report, which came out today. So we'll get through all of them, and I'll give you my thoughts. My tests are a joke since I've gone union. I get told at least 3 weeks ahead the day. Kind of sounds like the NCAA. Because I used to be friends with a bunch of athletes, D1 athletes in college. And they all smoked weed. And I'm like, don't you get tested? They're like, oh yeah, they tell us ahead of time. No problem. I'm like, what is this? They also get all the answers to the tests. Professors just give it to them. But that's a different story for another time. All right, so let's read. September's job creation comes up short with gain of just 194,000. Non-farm payrolls increased by 194,000 in September compared with the Dow Jones estimate for 500,000. That is a big miss. That is a big miss. Holy crap. 150% miss there? That is pretty bad, huh? Yeah, Marvin, totally agree. The unemployment rate dropped to 4.8%, better than the expected 5.1%. Alright, that's pretty cool. Leisure and hospitality, along with professional and business services and retail-led job creation. Markets initially reacted little to what was a mixed bag of report, held back by a sharp decline in government jobs. Okay. So leisure, hospitality, and retail going up, government jobs going down. Got it. All right, let's read this one. The September jobs number was a big miss, but Biden sees great progress in rising wages, lower unemployment rate. President Joe Biden touted signs of great progress in the September jobs report, even as the overall number missed expectations by a wide margin. The president pointed to a decline in the unemployment rate and boost in wages. The jobs report comes as Biden is facing the most challenging stretch of his presidency so far, as he pushes his economic agenda in Congress and grapples with declining approval ratings. Okay. So yeah, the president, Joe Biden, is trying to spin this in a positive way, even though this is pretty bad. The only thing good is, yeah, the, what was it? The unemployment was like 0.3% better than expected. Well, this is definitely not good at all. So, yeah, this is Joe Biden trying to, spin it in a way that makes him look good. Doesn't seem to be working. Poor Joe. Poor Sleepy Joe. All right, last article. Strong wage gains cast doubt that inflation is going away anytime soon. Strong wage gains in September lend credence to the notion that inflation could run longer than many economists anticipate. The persistent price increases have ramifications for consumers and policymakers. Despite the slow pace of job growth in the last 2 months, most economists expect the Federal Reserve to start easing back on the help it has provided to the economy. Okay. So yeah, job reports were bad, jobs were down, but wages are increasing. But that's actually a bad thing for inflation. So, I mean, that's good for the people that's getting the jobs, but yeah, this is making professional economists think that inflation is not transitory, as our man Jay Powell keeps lying to us. Inflation is transitory. So yeah, nobody believes this guy. Still. Nobody believed him from the start. And still nobody believes this guy. Inflation is transitory. This is a problem. Especially because we put off the debt ceiling as well to December. So we'll have to deal with that eventually, too. But yeah, guys. So the jobs report came out today. Was not that good. Wages are up, but jobs are down. The president tries to spin this in a positive way. Nobody believes him. The market is down. And yeah, some economists are predicting that because of the strong wages, inflation is not going anywhere. Despite what Jay Powell says. So yeah, the market reacted pretty negative to the jobs report today. So that's all I got for you guys on the jobs report. So that is all the articles we have today. So let's get into some analysis now. So trying to rationalize the bad number, unemployment rate is down. That's good. Less jobs created, but that might push back Fed tapering. That's good. Yeah. Says here it's going to push back tapering, but inflation probably isn't going anywhere. So yeah, there's some good and some bad here, but overall this is more bad than good. To the public, at least, I would say. Inflation could stick around longer, but Fed might push back tapering because of it. That's good. I mean, they kind of have to at this point. You know, it's getting a little out of hand. Wage increase is a good thing for me when I negotiate my raise low. Yeah, more money to throw at the casino. More money to throw at FD Yolos. So I hope you get that hope you get that raise, Marvin. The worker shortage is a real thing though, because my company is hiring like crazy. Yeah, because like I said yesterday, it's kind of dumb when you're incentivized to sit at home on your ass when you get paid more money for unemployment than you actually get paid working a job. So, you know, that is ending pretty soon, or it's starting to end. So, you know, I expect as soon as unemployment benefits run out, then we should start seeing people coming back to work. But yeah, it's totally true. There is a worker shortage right now. And there are jobs available. Nobody just wants to work. Nobody wants to work. Same here. Can't get people fast enough. Throwing crazy amounts of money at people for mediocre talent. Yeah, they're giving you incentives like, you know, for a basic job, like a waitress. Waitress. They're giving you like $1,000 bonus as soon as you sign on. Like, that's how desperate they are. That's how much they're struggling. Get that raise. I'm going to buy a couple of FDs just for the hell of it. Yeah, why not? YOLO. You never know. Maybe it'll hit. Alright. So let me refresh here on the aftermarket action. So we got BCYC. So I was in this one yesterday. Remember, guys? BCYC. It got upgraded. I bailed out of there. I was like, oh, hell no. Good thing I did. Because it keeps running today. And it is, again, in the aftermarket here. It's at 56 now. Incredible. So, yeah, I covered, don't even remember what I covered at. Probably like 47 or something like that. But, yeah. Good cover on my part yesterday. Don't go for this, guys. Don't short this. This is being manipulated right now by the hedge funds. And we got TGTX, which sounds like biotech. Well, we're not going to look at that just yet. It's not running too much. All right, so let's move on to some analysis here. And today we're going to be doing CEI, SHIB, CCXI, SNDL, and BBIG. Alright, so let's do it, guys. First one, CEI. My company's willing to pay for your gas if you have to come to the office, and they'll pay some money on your light bill as incentives. Yeah, this is nuts. Any little thing you can get people to come back. Interesting numbers in the jobless claim. When you dive deeper, 326 new claims. Lower than expected 350. That's not too much lower. It did miss, but that's not too much lower. That's pretty interesting, though. Alright, so let's get started with some analysis here, guys. So here is CEI Camber Energy. This finishes at $1.71 today. That is down 3.93%. So this is an insane stock. Crazy price action. Super volatile. We've been covering this one the past couple of weeks. This is a super meme stock. This squeezed all the way from 33 cents to 4.85 at the peak. Then it starts to pull back. Then we have that short report getting issued. Major pullback. And for whatever reason, it bounced all the way back from like $1 to almost $2.50. So, really no reason to justify this price action. Just a bunch of ape stuff going on here. Apes saying, screw the shorts. We like the stock.
We like the stock.
And the apes are buying the dip. Incredible. So, just another day in CEI. Nothing should surprise you guys at this point. Every day is something insane with this stock. But let's jump in and analyze this. So right now, this looks like a possible cup and handle. Very deep cup. But it looks like the top could be $340, $410, $435, or $485. So the important thing is that all of those tops are above the current price, so that is currently a bullish indicator, because this stock might come back up to fill one of these tops here. At the same time, it could just be a dead cat bounce. So, possible cup and handle, but we don't have any confirmation just yet. Alright, let's zoom in here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 177 and 168. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 177, 188, $2, 210, 218, 237, 280, 310, 321, 345, 381, 413, 437, and the high of 485. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 168, 152, 137, 126, 120, 113, 106, $1, 91 cents, 83 cents, 77 cents, 69 cents, 59 cents, 52 cents, 45 cents, 40 cents, and then the low of 33 cents. So right now at this current price, 171, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 218 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get very wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 218. The RSI is currently at 49, so very average there. So according to the RSI, this current price 171 is around fair market value. And this did 960 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off was confirmed by the volume. Alright guys, so yesterday when we covered this, I said that this looks like a dead cat bounce to me. I was not convinced. And then today we had a gap up, and that gap quickly filled. So it's kind of hard to tell where this is going in the short term. Like I said earlier, this is either a potential cup and handle in the making, which is bullish, or this is a dead cat bounce, which would be bearish. The RSI really isn't helping. The RSI and volume really aren't helping. Those are neutral indicators. So there's really not too much to go off of. Very hard to tell where this is going to go in the short term. But not too much has changed since yesterday when we covered this. So I'm going to stick to what I originally said, which is I think this is a dead cat bounce. Not too justified. The price action is not justified what's been going on the past couple of days. So I do expect this to pull back in the short term. Can't say how much it's going to pull back. But like I said, it looks like a dead cat bounce to me. So I would expect this to continue to sell off. And all right. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Not saying it's a bad play, but either way you go right here, at this current price, long or short, that would be more of a gamble than an investment. You're either going to make a lot of money or lose a lot of money. No in between. So I just think it's too risky. I wouldn't do it. But if you guys want to gamble, then I guess I can support that. As long as you understand that it is very risky. As long as you understand that this is high risk, high reward. It could pay out, it could work out, it could pay out pretty big, but you could lose a lot of money at the same time. So if you want to go long, do it at your own risk. And I will just say that if this does pull back below $1 again, then I think that would be an excellent entry to load up. So I would support going long if you guys understand the risk you're taking, or if this pulls back below $1. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, at this point, going short is also more of a gamble than an investment. So Again, I wouldn't recommend that at this current price. I think that's a little bit too risky. But I will say, if this does come back up to at least 340, then I think that would be an excellent entry to start a short position at 340 or higher. So similar to going long, I don't think this current price is a good entry for going short. But if you guys want to gamble, then sure, I can support it as long as you understand the risk you're taking. And if it runs to the upside, I think 340 and above is an excellent entry to go short. So sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CEI Camber Energy. $5 million continuing unemployment claims last week. 4.2 continuing this week. They may not be going back to work, but they ain't getting that government check either. Yeah, I remember Joe Biden was like, if you want to get unemployment, you have to be looking for a job. You have to look at least. And it's like, how are you going to confirm if someone is looking for a job or not? It's just so ridiculous. Have to get that stock. Which stock, Marvin? CEI? 1 billion in volume yesterday, 1 billion today. No way that it's just apes trading this thing after our volume is still crazy. Hedgies getting in on this, buying and selling multiple times. Yeah, I'm sure they are. They're probably, colluding together as well, I would assume. Ty, can you look at Netflix chart and let me know what you think? Sure, we can look at that real quick, Joe. Give me a second. We're done with the CEI, got in and got out. I'm with you, Marvin. Fun to watch, though. I think the apes are going to send it if you get that meme. Don't think I know which meme you're talking about. Apes are going to send it. But you could post it in the Discord or something. And we can reference that in the future. So yeah. I think we're all pretty much done with CEI at this point. It seems like many of us went for it, either long or short. Seems like everyone made some pretty decent tendies on both sides. And yeah, right now it's a little risky, so good call, guys. Probably better to stay away from this from now on. But like I said, if you guys want to gamble, sure. Just understand it's really risky. Netflix is a tough one. It just hit all-time high. Dumped off the high yesterday. Tried to go for it again this morning. Rejected. Bought puts at 641 right after it rejected. Personally, I wouldn't go long. Overall market is weak. Think Netflix head back to 600 in near future. Well, that's a good thing for Joe if you bought puts. Netflix. All right, DATS is pulling back here. Very nice, because I was starting to get worried. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, yeah, this chart certainly looks bearish. This looks like a head and shoulders right here. Looks like 650 is the top of the head. And the shoulders are forming around like 610-ish. So, yeah, high RSI. 68 RSI. Head and shoulders, all-time high. Yep, looks bearish to me. So, yeah, I mean, it should pull back to 580, below 600. I would say to at least 580. So, yeah, Joe, not sure what your expiration is there. But puts for 641. So, you bought at the money puts, pretty much. So, that's pretty safe. That should work out, dude. This should go timber pretty soon. obvious head and shoulders right here, or cock and balls, as I like to call it. I got the short and long video in the group. Alright, cool. We'll look at that later. Thanks, Marvin. Alright. So the next one is Shiba Inu. So let me pull up TradingView for that. 1 second, guys. Oops. If people go back to work, Netflix is going timber. Yeah, I mean, that's an added bonus. Just the TA, it should go timber anyway. Well, that's true. Thanks for looking. My puts are December 17th, 6:30 strikes. So, yeah, that's a pretty safe play, dude. Over 2 months out, and, you know, close to the money there. So, yeah, that should work out pretty good, Joe. Good luck to you. And, yeah, just based on the chart, it's bearish. But Marvin makes a good point there. Added bonus. Everybody everyone who is going to has already signed up for Netflix. People don't cancel stuff like that unless they are hurting for cash. Yeah, or they just, you know, borrow from their friend. They're sharing accounts. I never paid for Netflix for years now. So yeah, they cancel it and share it, or if they're hurting for cash. All right, let's do this one, guys. Yeah, actually, CCXI is down to 37 now, so I did make a good call there, covering at 38. Pat myself on the back for that one. Okay, here is SHIB Shiba Inu. This is currently at $0.002613, and that is up 14.28%. So once again, we're talking about this coin. This wasn't number 1 today, but it was number 2 after CEI. So this has been trending as number 1 on as number 1 and number 2 on StockTwits for 5 days now. So it's been an incredible run. And it looks like we still have a lot of momentum here. So the action is not over just yet. And remember, guys, this all started because Elon Musk tweeted a picture of his Shiba Inu puppy. Tweeted a picture of his dog. And that's what initially caused this price action. So, anything is possible nowadays. Crazy stuff. But not much else to say. So let's jump right into some analysis here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of $0.002765 and $0.002371. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $0.002765, $0.00 $0.003039, $0.003464, $0.003811, and then the high of $0.005009. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $0.00236, $0.00222, $0.002116, $0.001954, $0.001838, $0.001791, $0.001652, $0.001559, $0.001397, $0.001223, $0.001072, $0.000979. Let's zoom in. Okay, where was I? $0.00094, $0.000911, $0.000882, $0.000839, $0.000796, $0.000753, $0.000709, $0.000666, $0.000609, and then the low of $0.000558. A lot to say there. All right. So right now at this current price, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to $0.00091, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to $0.000991. The RSI is, oh my god. The RSI is currently at 78, so that is still overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 129 trillion in volume today. Very significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Alright, guys. So, not much has changed since yesterday when we covered this. I said that this appears to be a cup and handle. It looked like it topped out at $0.003461, and it looks like it's pulling back to develop a handle here. So, just an estimate here. Right. So just some quick math off the top of my head. If this is in fact a cup and handle, this should pull back to around $0.0015 to complete the handle. So that would currently be a bearish indicator. And as of right now, it does appear like this is pulling back. So we'll see if this does in fact pull back to $0.0015 to complete the handle here. But yeah, a lot of bearish indicators here. High RSI and volume and the possible cup and handle. No bullish indicators and no neutral indicators. So this chart looks very bearish. And therefore, I do think it will pull back in the short term. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Not saying it's not going to work. But going long here would be a gamble. Going long would be a high risk, high reward play. This is already near the relative top and has been on an incredible run the past few days. So it really can't go too much more to the upside, you know. But never underestimate the apes. Anything is possible. So I don't think it's a good idea, but if you guys want to gamble and go long, then sure, go for it. Just understand it is very risky. You could lose you could end up losing a lot of money here. However, like I said earlier, I think it's going to pull back to $0.0015. So if it does, then I would support going long there at that entry. I think $0.0015 is an excellent entry. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. Personally, I wouldn't do it just because I don't short crypto in general. I think that's a little too risky for my liking. But just based on the TA here, based on the chart, like I said, a lot of bearish indicators. This should pull back to $0.0015. So that's a good ways to the downside from here. So yeah, you should be able to make a good amount of money going short here. So I would support that. And I think you should cover at $0.0015. And again, it's unlikely, but it is possible that this does keep running to the upside. You never know what's going to happen when the apes are involved. So there still is risk involved here, going short. I don't think you're gonna get squeezed out or anything. But there is a risk of losing some money here, so just be aware of that. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this coin today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Looks very bearish in the short term. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this coin and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SHIB Shiba Inu. I run IPTV personally. I'm going to try to find Squid Games on there. I did hear about Squid Game. I never watched it, but I saw like reviews on it. It seems to be really good. I just don't really have time to watch TV. But yeah, that seems to be a good show. Squid Game. Korean like sci-fi show there. Thriller. I have 200 in my Coinbase account. Should I YOLO it in the Shiba Inu? Marvin, not yet. Not yet, dude. Well, if you can go short, sure, go for it, dude. Don't go long. Don't go long. Just my opinion, not financial advice. I'm down 10% on Shiba Inu. $2. 10 says no. I'm gonna have to agree with that. That is a hard no for me. You're no fun. If Low Roller was here, he said he would say yes, do it, and then Low Roller pops up. Perfect timing. Couldn't have scripted it any better. If Low Roller was here, he'd say do it. Low Roller enters the room. What's up, Low Roller? Shiba Inu is back again. I'm waiting my Dogecoin to pump. Yeah, it's back, but, you know, like I just said, well, I think it's going to go timber in the short term, so we'll see how long it stays up here. I see low roller is here. Yep, right on time. I know always the buzzkill, everyone has a job to do. No, we're just trying to keep each other responsible, you know? We all have a little degenerate in us, some more than others, but it is our responsibility here as a community to keep our fellow apes from doing something retarded. So, no, we're just keeping each other in check. So we're about to see boomerangs on this thing. On Shiba Inu? Yeah, probably. Probably going to reverse pretty hard soon, in my opinion. You have chance to make money on BTT coins. Shiba Inu goal is 1 cent. That'd be really nice. $1 would be really nice. BTT coins, I don't know what BTT coins is, but low roller, did you see, what was it we just looked at? Nano Doge? Nano Doge, right? It was up 100 billion% today. Pretty stupid how this rant even began. Yeah, Elon Musk. I mean, but that's normal nowadays, you know? Like, he's done this many times before, so he's going to do it again eventually. Are you buying Shiba Inu for $50, then come back in 5 years? You make tons of money. If it comes back to 0.0001, hell yeah, hell yeah. I'm not buying here, but if it pulls back down here, hell yeah, I'm in there for $0.0001. What's up, Brendan? Thanks for being here. Thanks for joining the show today. Thoughts on CEI going into next week? Yeah, dude. So I think you're a little late to the show. We covered CEI already, but so you could either rewind or watch the playback. But I'll give you a quick summary. I basically said, well, I basically said it's really hard to tell where this is going in the short term. I personally think it's going to pull back. It looks like a dead cat bounce to me. But this does look like a possible cup and handle as well. So either way you go, long or short, this is a straight up gamble right here. It's going to be a lot of price action. So I would say it's either going to 1 or going to 350, 340. So if you don't have a position, I advise to stay away from it right now. And if it goes to 1, load up. If it goes to 350 or 340, you can short it. And, yeah, if you want to take a position right now at 170, long or short, you know, just understand it is very risky. And, it's either going to go flying one way or flying the other way. Going to be a lot of price action. So, yeah, I think it's going timber. But I could be wrong. We do have a possible cup and handle here. So I hope that answers your question. Brendan, and I did do a full analysis with support and resistance earlier in the show. So if you want, you can rewind, dude. And again, thanks for being here. Appreciate you, man. The apes are going ascendant. That's my thoughts. Does ascendant mean go to the upside or downside? Because it sounds like the upside, dude. CoinMarketCap delisted Nano Dogecoin already since they got a new coin. I told you to buy CEI 2 days ago. You buy $1, then sell it $2. Yeah, that would have been great. But I don't know who had the balls to do that. That would have taken some big balls to buy at $1 here when it was going timber like this. I don't have the balls to do that. Then the market maker are going to dump it. All right, so send it means it's going to moon, and then the market maker is going to dump it. That could happen too. All right, so next one is CCXI. This is back to 37 right now, so good on me for covering at 38. Before we do that, let's refresh some aftermarket action here. Still not much going on in the after. Oh, what? No, we got some action. TRVI. TRVI. Let's check that out. Trevi Therapeutics. Sounds right in my wheelhouse here. But there is no PR, so very, very suspicious. Why is this mooning? Okay. Well, I'm gonna set an order here for 190. I'm gonna go for 190 here. Okay, and in goes the order. So, come on, 190. Alibaba making comeback? Yeah. Pretty big comeback last couple of days. I don't know why it wasn't trending today. But yeah, Alibaba and pretty much all of the Chinese stocks bouncing. PR yesterday? Yeah, yesterday, but why is it mooning right now? I mean, not really. The PR is, the PR is they are participating in Alliance Global Partners Specialty Pharma Conference. Not really PR, if you ask me. Yeah, there's no justification for this right now. So if it comes back to 190, I'm in there. CC, what's up, Zhang John? CCXI? Yeah, dude, you're right on time. Thanks for being here, dude. Because we are going to analyze that one right now. Welcome to the show, dude. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button, please? I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. Don't see any reason for it to moon. Yeah, there is no reason. So, some suspicious stuff going on there. Dark pool stuff going on. Okay, here is CCXI Chemocentryx. This finishes at $38.41 today. That is up 95.97%. So this was number 4 today on StockTwits. This was one of the major runners today. And we had some news on this, so let's take a look at that first. Okay, so the news is that the company got FDA approval of Avacopan. Which is a treatment for neutrophil cytoplasmic antibody associated vasculitis. Got no idea what that is. I am not a medical professional. All I know is this is some good PR. They got FDA approval for their drug, so very good news there. And in addition to that, we have a lot of price upgrades here. So a lot of institutions coming in here So a lot of institutions like this stock and are throwing their money at this right now. So we have an upgrade from H.C. Wainwright. They upgraded to $101. Raymond James upgrades to $107. Pretty sure there were more as well. Piper Sandler upgrades to $52. And there was one more on IBKR. What was it? And Stifle upgrades to $85. So yeah, great PR, great news, and a lot of price upgrades from some very legitimate hedge funds here. So yeah, great day for the bulls on this stock. This gapped up. This gapped up and hit $40 at over $40 on the high today. So it is pulling back right now, but yeah, still a major runner today. A lot of attendees made here today. So let's jump in and analyze this. So as I mentioned, we have a gap up today. At 2150. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us that this stock is likely to come back down to 2150 eventually to fill that gap. And I'm going to be honest, guys, it may never fill. Usually it does, but when the stock is manipulated like this by hedge funds, a lot of the time they don't fill, or if they do, it's very, very, or if they do, it's later on. Like a good ways later on, like months later. But that is important. We should take note of that. We have a gap up at 2150. That is bearish. And we also have a possible cup and handle here developing. It appears like the top of the cup could either be 49 or around 68. And it looks like the bottom is 950. So whether the top is 49 or 68, those would both currently be bullish indicators, because that means this stock might come back up to 49 or 68 to fill that top there. The RSI is currently at 90, so that is very overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 145 million in volume today. By far the biggest volume day ever for this stock. I believe it is. Yes. Very significant volume, so this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So this stock is a bit unique, because I don't think we can pay attention too much to the technical analysis here. Because like I said earlier, there are many institutions now in this stock, and it is being highly manipulated. So normally I would say it looks bearish, high RSI and volume, gap up, it should pull back to fill the gap, but that doesn't apply here because of the hedge fund manipulation. So honestly, guys, so this is just my opinion. This doesn't really go off of the TA, but I've seen this happen over and over again, where hedge funds upgrade the price and start to manipulate the stock. And what typically happens is it keeps on running to the upside very slowly in the next few trading sessions. It's like a gradual short squeeze. There are some shorts who are very stubborn and do not want to let go. And I predict that. And usually what happens is they end up covering. And what ends up happening is they usually end up covering because they can't take it anymore. So yeah, I think in the short term, in the next few trading sessions at least, this will continue to run to the upside. But don't expect any significant price action or anything. It should slowly keep running to the upside. Just my opinion, not financial advice. So if you want to go long, seems like a decent play. You know, you already missed some fat tendies. You could have been in at 20 or 30. So, 38.40 really isn't the greatest entry. But like I said, this should keep running to the upside. So, there are still some tendies to be made. So, if you want to go long, I would support that. I don't really love the play, but it is decent. And I do think if this comes back up to 48 or 49, but I do think if this does come back up to 49, then you should definitely sell there. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Like I said, traditionally, this would be an excellent short play, just looking at the technical analysis here. But in this situation, for this stock, we are going to ignore all of that. That all goes out the window. Like I said, this is being highly manipulated, so I do expect this to keep running to the upside in the short term. So I don't think going short is a good idea here. You're probably gonna bleed money every day until you can't take it anymore and decide to cover. So yeah, going short here is pretty risky to me. I would not recommend that. However, if for whatever reason this does pull back to 2150, then I would say that would be an excellent time to load up. Excuse me. I'm bugging. Never mind. I'm thinking going long. So yeah, going short is a bit risky for me. I don't like it. I wouldn't do it, and I don't support that. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but it's never a bad idea to cash in when you're up 100%. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CCXI Chemocentryx. I found Shiba Inu Reddit. The guy selling Shiba Inu too early probably regretted his life. Yeah, Lorola, you could share that if you want. We could take a look at that during the Yolos. That'd be pretty funny. Sounds pretty good. Fill the gap just to create another gap. No bears allowed here. Pump it. Sorry, I should have said no bears allowed here. Folk you pump it. Yep. Exactly. This is ISEE FULC all over again. Another one of these, biotech hedge fund manipulation stocks here. Alright, so two more. SNDL and BBIG. Seems like we're doing pretty good on time here today. It's 5:37. We got two more to go. So yeah. Good timing. So far, at least. Okay, here is SNDL. Sundial Growers. This finishes at 68 cents today. That is up 5%. Okay, so this is a meme stock, but this isn't being short squeezed or anything, of late at least. Oh, I should probably actually draw another. Yeah. We actually had some news on this yesterday in the post market, so let's take a look at that. So the news is the company announced they will acquire Alcanna, which is a smaller cannabis company. And the deal is for 346 million Canadian dollars. So that was very good PR, great news, and that did cause the stock to gap up. So yeah, this gapped up today at 66 cents. And that gap has not filled just yet. So that is currently a bearish indicator that is telling us that this stock will likely come back to 66 cents eventually to fill that gap. And honestly, it's probably going to be in the short term. And besides that, well, great, we have a freaking ambulance coming now. 1 second, guys, my apologies. Actually, the sirens aren't too bad today. We had like 2 of them. But it's actually pretty quiet today. I think, at least. Alright, back to this. Alright. And besides the gap up, we also have a possible cup and handle here. There are multiple tops. There are multiple possible tops of this cup. It could be 84 cents, 108, 133, 175, 225, or the high of 396. But the important thing is that all of those tops are currently above the all of those tops are above the current price. So that is a bullish indicator. That's telling us this stock is likely to come back up to fill one of those tops. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 69.42 cents, and 65 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 69.42 cents, 77.5 cents, Is that right? 77.5? Excuse me, not 77.5. Or it is 77.5, my bad. Yeah, 77.5. 83.4 cents. 95.33 cents. 108. 123. 134. 142. 154. 164. 175. 194. 225. 297, and then the high of 396. Can't even really see much here. Okay. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 65 cents, 60 cents, 55 cents, and then 45 cents. And there is support below 45 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Should not be too relevant. So right now at this current price, 68 cents, the channels the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. And what's this here? However, if/when this breaks 84 cents to the upside, the channels start to open up and get wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 84 cents. The RSI is currently at 47, so that's a little below average. And this did 220 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So we've covered this stock a couple times before. Not too often. But nothing has really changed since the last time we did. The PR, the news today on the acquisition of Alcana, does not really affect the long term of the stock. So I'm going to stick to what I've been saying all along. And so I'm going to stick to basically what I said all along, a little different. But I think in the short term, this should pull back to 66 cents to fill this gap. And then in the longer term, I do expect this to run to the upside. Long term, this is bullish. So yeah, short term, I think this will pull back a little bit more, fill the gap, and then run back up to the upside. Longer term. yeah, 68 cents is near the bottom. It's a relative low. So there is a lot of upside potential. Not too much downside potential. We have some strong support here at we have some strong support here around this current price. So yeah, this is very near the bottom. This really shouldn't go too much more to the downside. So yeah. A lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I think that would be a really good play. Like I said, this should pull back to at least 66 in the short term, so maybe you don't want to load up just yet. But yeah, either at 68 or if this goes down a little bit more, this is currently an excellent entry here. Again, a lot of upside potential, a lot of tendies to be made. So yeah, if you're willing to hold for the long term, if you really like the stock, I think going long here at either 68 or 66 cents is a great entry, and you should be able to make a lot of money. So I would support going long. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. As I just said, there's not too much downside potential here. You'd be shorting for crumbs if you went short here. And at the same time, you would be exposing yourself to a lot of risk of getting squeezed out to the upside. So going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. I do not see a reason to go short here. That'd be a pretty bad play in my opinion. So I would not encourage doing that. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SNDL, Sundial Growers. SNDL is a better weed financial lender than a weed grower. Are they're a financial weed lender? I really don't know what their business model is. That's pretty funny. I thought this was like the worst of all the cannabis stocks. You know, like Sundial is like a meme cannabis stock. I never really took it too seriously. To me, if you're going to go cannabis, just go Tilray. I mean, I guess this has more growth potential, but it's a penny stock. At least not yet. We will need to see how this affects their earnings. That is true. I have no idea when the earnings are coming up. Didn't Tilray have their earnings today? How'd that go? Oh, it went timber, right? Right. All right, last one. Last one, guys. Bear with me. BBIG. And we'll finish up with the Yolos. Okay, here is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. This finishes at $5.01 today. That is down 6.18%. So we've been covering this stock a lot lately, the past couple of weeks. At one point, this was #1 trending for a while. But it has since lost a lot of momentum, and this stock has pulled back very significantly. However, this stock does still occasionally trend. The apes still really, really like this stock. So the momentum is still alive, just not very strong. So today, the stock was trending again on StockTwits, top 10. So we'll cover it. So if you guys recall from yesterday, I think it was yesterday. If you guys recall from the previous shows, I've been saying that the stock still looks like it's going into free fall, but it does look like it's starting to bottom out. It's not necessarily catching any support yet, but the price action is cooling off. So pretty shortly here, we should see a bottom and a reversal. So I think it's still bearish in the immediate short term, but pretty soon we should start going the other way, hopefully. And right now, this looks like a potential cup and handle here. Looks like the top of the cup could be either well, yeah, there are multiple possible tops for this cup. And there is no bottom just yet. So that is currently a bullish indicator because all of these tops are above the current price. So that means that this stock may come back up to fill one of these tops here. And that could be $6.50, $7.70, $9, $11, or $12.50. And again, no bottom just yet. And we do have a double gap up. We have a gap up at $1.60 and a gap at $3. So those are both bearish indicators because that means this stock is likely to come back down to fill those gaps. Now the gap at $1.60, I would not be surprised if that never fills. That was quite a while ago, and that is very low. So I wouldn't be surprised if that never fills, but I do expect the $3 gap to fill. That one is much more realistic of filling. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 515, and 490. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 515, 535, $6, 650, 680, 705, 765, 815, 910, 940, $10, 1105, 1190, and the high of 1249. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 490, 460, 425, $4, 380, 350, 330, 315, 295, 265, 250, 225, 195, well, we're actually not going to go that low. And then the low of 195. And there is some support below 195, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Should not be too relevant. So right now at this current price, $5, the channels to the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action if this continues to the downside. However, to the upside, if/when this breaks 535, the channels are very wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 535. The RSI is currently at 40, so that is a little bit undervalued and oversold. And this did 18 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Alright guys, so nothing has really changed since the last time we covered this, so I'm going to stick with what I've been saying all along. And that is, in the short term, I do expect this to keep pulling back. Longer term, I'm not too sure about, but in the short term, this should pull back to the downside. And I can't say how far it's going to pull back, but this may pull back to $3 to fill the gap. Like I said earlier, this does still appear to be in free fall, but there isn't as much price action. But you know, it's not going straight timber. It does appear like it's attempting to catch some support here. It just hasn't yet. So like I said, I think in the short term this should keep pulling back, but it should slowly bleed. It shouldn't absolutely get wrecked in one day, in a couple of days or anything like that. So yeah, I'm not sure how much longer it's gonna go down for, or where the bottom is gonna be. But I think in the near future, this should catch some support and should start to bottom out. So I don't think it's done going down just yet, but it should be done going down pretty soon. All right. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that just yet. Like I said, this still has some downside potential. So I think holding off would be a better play and just observe the price action. See when this finally does catch some support, when it starts to bottom out, and then come in and make your move. That or wait till this pulls back to $3. It may not come back down to 3, but if it does, that's an excellent entry. So I would not support going long at this current price, $5. But if this pulls back, which I expect it to, then I would support going long at a better price. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Not saying it's a bad play, but I think it's not really worth the risk in this situation here. Like I said, this does appear like it's going to bottom soon and possibly reverse. So I don't think there's too much downside here. I don't think there's too much tendies to be made. There is some, but probably not enough to justify going short here. The risk probably outweighs the reward. Going short would be gambling here. Well, not necessarily. I think going short here would be a medium risk, medium reward play. It's alright. Not the greatest, but not terrible. So personally, I probably wouldn't go for it because I think there are better shorting opportunities out there in the market. But if you guys want to do it, then I guess I can support it. But I will say, eventually when this does start to catch some support and bottom out, please cover. You know, don't try to stretch it out. Don't try to stretch your tendies here. Don't get too greedy. Don't try to maximize your tendies. If you're going to go short and it starts to bottom out, cover right there, because it's probably going to go bad. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today and the past couple of weeks. Very nasty. Hang in there. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. Going short on this, no thanks. Yeah, not the best idea. Not the greatest play, but it could work out. Like I said, if it pulls back to 3. So I'm not loving it, but it's an alright play. I wouldn't do it, though. Okay. SNDL is a better weed. Alright, I already said that. SNDL has weeklies 2, which is good for selling calls. It had decent IV. Don't know what it is now. Let's check. Not bad. It's looking like around 150 to 200%. Next week is 180. The week after that is 188. And 180, 173. So yeah, IV is still pretty high here. Alright guys, so that is all the analysis for today. Making some pretty good time here. So thanks for sticking with me and listening to me ramble and talk. So now's the fun part, the YOLOs. Let's refresh here. Look at some aftermarket action. Nothing. Yeah, nothing yet. So, yeah, low roller. We are. We're gonna do the YOLOs right now. It is YOLO time. So, good timing, dude. What is this? LCIDW. Is that Lucid Dividend or something? LCIDW. Let's go in timber. LCIDW. Lucid Group Warrant. Yeah. I don't know why this is going timber, but LCIDW going timber right now. LCIDW. I don't know why. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Let's get to the YOLOs. Gonna pull it up here. Give me a sec to load it up. Alright, so we'll get started as soon as this stuff finishes loading. Why is this still loading? Alright, there we go. Alright guys, so today should be fun. Today we have YOLOs on Moderna, Alibaba, Clover, Tesla, and SI, Silvergate. So yeah, should be fun, let's do it. This first one is by Smurf Snort North. Okay. They say Moderna, put option play. Keep shorting this pig to 280. Alright. So here we have 40 puts for Moderna. Expiring today. So it's over now. This is over. At the 7 at the 370 strike. So I'm not sure what the cost basis was, but the average fill was 1060. And this closed at around 44. So, yeah, that is a, that's a 3-bagger. Over 300% here. And I'm not sure if this is the gain for the day or in total, but here it says plus $134,000. I think that's today's profit. So insane. Let's take a look at Moderna. 305. Okay, so Moderna closes at 305. So way, way in the money. So yeah, this was an excellent play here. Very good strike. This is way in the money. Good expiration. I mean, I don't know when these were purchased, but I think these were purchased in advance. And yeah, this seems to be timed very well. So yeah, very well planned and very well executed. Excellent play here. You know, this is not like an FD YOLO. This seems to be some pro stuff. Some pro stuff here. Well planned and executed, like I said. Here comes the siren. Yellow roller. We'll get to that after we're done with these YOLOs. He bought those a while ago. Well played, sir. Yeah, it kind of seems like he bought this near the top. Nice. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, excellent play here. Excellent, excellent play. Can't really say anything about it. Can't say anything bad about this. This is all around really, really good. And yeah, it's already done, expired, and he over 3x'd here. Over 3-baggered here. So yeah. Smurf Snort North, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you, dude. Some fat tendies here. Yeah, very well done. Great play here. Good strike, good expiration, and good timing. All around, very well done. Very well planned and executed. You deserve this, dude. And yeah, this is nice to see. A fat gain here on an actual skill play, not on some super FD luck. So yeah, well deserved, dude. Congratulations on your gains. Just please don't, you know, chuck this all on another YOLO. Don't give back your gains. Which I don't think you will. You seem smarter than that. So yeah, man, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Good luck to you in the future, and looking forward to seeing some more plays from you in the future. Moderna is an obvious short at this point. I'm not going to do it, though. I mean, it would have been at 4 something, right? Now, it still is pretty good, but, you know, missed out on the fat tendies. Got them Monday when Moderna was around 400. So, yeah. Super Chad move there. Very well done. All right. This next one is by a potato in my ass. They say my gain pour... Oop. Saying some naughty words here. It says my gain corn with a P so far on Baba. Okay. So we have a leaps here. Well, I don't know if it's a leaps anymore, but yeah, here we have... Don't know how many, actually, but we have a few calls here for Alibaba at the 150 strike expiring January 21st, 2022. And this was posted a day ago, so it's probably even more than now, because Alibaba did go up today. So this appears to be... Well, I don't know what the cost basis is, all right? But yeah, on the day, he's up 34.5K, $34,500. And in total, he's up 38K, $38,000. And like I said, probably even more today, because it did run today as well. Corn with a K. Yep. All right. So this is an excellent play here. The strike is really safe, you know. Not sure when these were purchased. I mean, I know that they were pretty recent, but yeah. 150 strike is a good strike. That was very close to the money. Good expiration. Got a couple months here, so, you know. This is like borderline a leaps. But, yeah, good expiration, good strike. And this was timed very well, you know, before Alibaba went up 10% or whatever. So, yeah. Overall, really good play here. I like this a lot. Now, 162. So Alibaba is currently at 162 with a little less than 4 months to go. About 4 months to go. So yeah. This guy is printing right now in a very good position. So do you cash it out here and let it ride? Do you cash it out here or do you let it ride? See, this is pretty difficult because I don't know what the cost basis is. But honestly, I'd probably just cut everything here. Because this is Alibaba. This might just be a dead cat bounce. You never know. This China FUD is still real. I'm not convinced Alibaba has bottomed just yet. So yeah, you got a little lucky here with, you know, the massive run yesterday and today. I mean, there's a good chance Alibaba will be above 150 by January 21st, but honestly, dude, I think it's the safest, best play to just cut right here. You have a massive gain already. No guarantees Alibaba will be at 150 by expiration. And this may be the most value your contracts are worth. So maybe it's a better idea. Maybe it will pay off more to hold, but at this point, I don't think you should even chance it. I would cut the fat tendies here, cut the gains, and yeah, move on. Enjoy the tendies, dude. There's not too much benefit of holding this for longer, you know? So yeah, a potato in my ass. Thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. Still got a lot of time here, and you're in a great position. So, yeah, I like to play a lot. Good strike, good expiration, and good timing. So, yeah, overall, this was a lot of skill and some luck. This is not an FD YOLO, but I think you did get helped out with the price action the past couple of days. But yeah, anyway, very good play. I like it. And as of right now, I think you should cut, dude. Because anything can happen in 4 months, and, you know, I'm not convinced China is bottomed just yet. I'm not convinced the China FUD is over. So, yeah, I don't see too much benefit in holding any longer. So I just cut here. I think that's the best play. So yeah, dude, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Good luck, and please post updates. Keep an eye on China stocks. Bottom may be in. Yeah, it may be. It may be, but I don't trust it. I am not convinced just yet. You got to show me more. I like that play. Take some risk off the table. Let the rest ride. Lots of upside between now and January. Biden speaking with Xi before the end of the year. Yeah, I mean, that could, you know, that could be a good play too. I just think I personally would just cut everything because I'm just so unsure of, you know, all this China FUD and where the bottom is and whatever. So, I mean, yeah, you could let it ride. There's he's in the money right now, a lot of time to go, so there's no hurt in that, but it's also a really good play just to take the money here and run. What's up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you, as always. DATS. Yeah, DTATS, that was still getting pumped by Zach Morris, right? We were talking about it in Discord earlier. Yeah, it was running. It was in the 12s earlier in the pre-market, but it's pulled back here. So it's at 1163 now. But yeah, big runner today. So, were you in it, Busy Bone? I sure hope so. But yeah, thanks for being here, man. Look at Ying. Sorry, Yang. Ying is bear. Is that an ETF or something? I think that's ETF, right? There's a ton of benefit for holding, but make it free. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Make it free. And again, I could have analyzed it better if I knew what the cost basis was, but I don't. So, if he was up 100% or more, then yeah, for sure. Take out the cost basis, let it ride. Can't remember his name, but some rich old white guy said he was buying a dip Baba. Munger, right? Charlie Munger. Buffett's partner from Berkshire Hathaway. Pretty sure that's who you're talking about, Marvin. Haven't had a video from our Baba guy in a while. He was at about 20K. So probably, yeah, the last couple of days probably helped him out a lot. Well, Low Roller says, here's the update. That's from Wall Street Bets. Oh, it's an... Oh, wait, let's see this. Oh, okay. Yeah, he updated. All right, cool. So let's take a look at this. So this was posted an hour ago, 58 minutes ago. Thanks for that, Low Roller. You told me DATS entry was 850, got in under 9. Are you still holding Busy Bone, or did you cash out? But yeah, dude, so you entered under 9, and it's at 11 something now, so yeah, dude, fat tendies, congratulations to you. Very happy, man. Ty, you still have your Baba Leaps. They maybe aren't looking quite so ugly. Yeah, I do still have them. They ain't worth shit anymore. I lost like 75% on it already. So at this point, I'm just going to let it ride. Expect the worst. Prepare for the, or what was it? Prepare for the best, expect the worst. No, expect the best, prepare for the worst. So yeah, at this point, I'm already writing it off as a 100% loss. They still look pretty damn ugly. But hey, there is still a chance. There is still hope. But yeah, I'm still way underwater on those. I still want my Baba at 100 and no more. I don't know, dude. Yeah, it may come back down there, but this may be the bottom, dude. Can't say for sure, but it is bouncing pretty hard, the China stocks. So, yeah, I'm kind of mixed on that. I don't want it to go to 100 for my sake and for some other apes' sakes. But I do want you to load up at 100, dude. So we'll see what happens with Baba. Baba ain't getting to 100? You never know, dude. Probably not, but hey, you never know. I thought it would never get to 200 or 150. 200 was like, I was like, 200 is the absolute bottom. This is like a 3-year low. Hell yeah, great price. I'm in there, 200. Then it goes to 150.
Good.
All right, so let's take a look at this update here. So yeah, same guy. A potato in my ass. More gain corn. Sold for about 50K, 3-day hold. This was just an earlier screenshot I had taken before exiting the casino for the weekend. Time to spend my China profits. Thank you, Xi Jinping. Yeah, thank you, Winnie the Pooh, right? The guy looks like Winnie the Pooh. Alright, so yeah, update. So, what was he before? 38K or something? Now it's 43K. Oh, no. Well, this was he says 50K. So this was earlier. So 50K gain here. And he exited. So it's over. 50K in 3 days. So yeah, he went with my advice here. He cashed everything out. So, yep. Great play, dude. Congratulations. Okay. Missed one here. Alright, this one is by Unemployed Gambler. Nice. He says, keep buying the dip till Monday. Clover. Why Monday? Is there a catalyst or something with Clover? What's up with Clover on Monday? Am I missing something? I don't know what's going on Monday, guys. If someone knows, please tell me. I don't know what's going on Monday. Anyway. So here we have 78 calls for Clover at the 750 strike, expiring October 29th. So 3 weeks to go on this one. So this was a 3.9K YOLO, $3,900. And today, he's up $3,300. Don't know what percent that is, but that's like almost 100%. Insane. Alright, let's take a look at Clover. We'll just call it $8. Alright, so yeah, this is in the money right now. Clover is at $8. So a little in the money here. So we got 3 weeks to go. And he's up almost 100%. Very nice. Okay, so the play itself, pretty decent. I like the strike. You know, that was like an at-the-money call there. So, yeah, I respect the strike. Pretty safe there. The expiration, I'm not loving that. 3 weeks. That's pretty close. That's an FD, but hey, it worked out here. And great timing. Great timing. So, overall, pretty good play. Pretty good play. I like it. I support it. So, yeah, at this point, up $3,300 in 1 day, 3 weeks to go, and in the money. So, what do you do? Well, this is a good spot to be in, because you're up a lot of money already. And looking at the chart here, it does look really bullish. I'm not going to lie. I'm not convinced, though, because it is Clover. It does this. It tricks you, you know? Chart looks bullish, and it just dumps on you. So, I'm not convinced that it's going to keep going up in 3 weeks, but the TA would suggest that. So I guess it's not bad to let this ride. You certainly can do that. That is an option. But personally, I would probably cut here. Like I said, I don't trust Clover. I just don't trust it. I mean, not saying it won't keep running to the upside. It very well could, and this could keep going higher. But I just don't trust it. This thing is so unpredictable. You don't know what's going to happen in 3 weeks. Literally anything can happen. So I would just take your 100% or whatever this is, 90%, and just run. You can't ask for too much more. You know, like 90% in 1 day. Dude, just cash it out. I think it's a little bit too risky to hold this through expiration here. So I would just be happy with the gains and enjoy the tendies, dude. So yeah, Unemployed Gambler. Love the name, by the way. Don't know if you should be gambling if you're unemployed, but hey, whatever. At least you won here. Yeah, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. Not over yet, but you're in a great position here. As for the play itself, pretty good play, man. I like it. Good strike. Not the best expiration, but it works. and good timing. So overall, pretty good play. I would support it. And yeah, at this point, you got 3 weeks to go. Up like 90% or something like that. In my personal opinion, I would just cut it here because I don't trust Clover. And that's just it. TA looks great. If it were any other stock, then I would probably say you can justify holding. But yeah, I don't trust Clover, so I just cut it right here, dude. Can't ask for too much more. 90% in 1 day. Take it and run, dude. So thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Good luck to you in the future, and please post updates. I still hate the play. He needs to cut it. On Clover? Yeah, I mean, I agree. I don't think it's a bad play, but yeah, it needs to cut here. Wouldn't trust Clover. Does this every couple of weeks. Yep, damn right, like I just said. I don't trust it. Alright, this one is by Sandpipa 78. They say Tesla, October 8th, 870 calls. Alright. So here we have 75 calls for Tesla. It's done. It expired today, October 8th. So this was for the 780 strike. And, yeah. This was a... Well, I don't know what the cost basis was, but it was a little over $7,400, and yeah, he's down $7,400, down 99%, probably 100% now. So let's take a look here. Tesla. Wow. So this wasn't even close. This wasn't even remotely close. Tesla's at 785. So he was like $100 out of the money here. All right. Average cost $1. So yeah, so it was $7,500. All right. So yeah, $7,500 YOLO, and he's down 7,400 here. Probably down 7,500 now. So I'm not exactly sure when these were purchased. But looking back now, this seems to be a pretty bad play. Bad strike. This is way out of the money. Bad expiration. Well, I can't say for sure, actually. I don't know about the expiration, but I think it's an FD. Or kind of one, at least. And it doesn't appear like the timing was great either, so... Yeah, overall, pretty bad play here. Bad strike, bad expiration, bad timing. Overall, bad all around. And yeah, we see the results. It's over, down 100%. So, bad plays result in bad results. In bad outcomes. So yeah, nothing much else to say about this. It's already over. Can't do anything. So yeah, Sandpiper78, thanks for posting. Great content here. I love it. Sorry for your loss though. This really sucks. But yeah, dude, I don't really know what you were thinking here, but this seems to be a pretty bad play. Bad strike, bad expiration, bad timing. So, not gonna lie, dude, this is kind of deserved. I mean, I'm sorry you lost your money, but this had very small chances of working. And, yeah, dude, it's over now. So, in the future, may I suggest you lower your strike prices, push your expirations further, and maybe you'll have better results next time. But yeah, dude, sorry for your loss. Thanks for posting great content. Good luck to you. And, yeah, hopefully we'll hear from you in the future. Bought on Monday when Tesla was 800. Well, even at 800, you know, what, that'd be like 5 days for a $70 gain? Possible, but very risky stuff. Very, very risky stuff. So, I still don't like the play. You got a guy YOLO by listening CNBC. Stem hit $75. He got wrecked. I did see that low roller. I didn't include it, but I did see that one. Tesla had gapped from 775, 805 on news. Guess he was looking for a move up, not necessarily to 780. This is the 0-day way, just didn't work out. And he didn't do it on a 0-day. Yeah. Like I said, all around bad. Bad strike, bad expiration, and bad timing. So, totally deserved. All right, last one, guys. And I think we have one more. Not the last one, but getting near here. I think this one, and then, yeah, we're going to do low rollers about Shiba Inu. Can open that up right now. All right, this one is by CyberRider007. So we reviewed this guy yesterday, so this is an update. He says 5,800% gain in a week, but I'm still holding SI Silvergate into next week. Okay, so yesterday he was at like 4,000 something percent, right? Now he's at 5,800. So yeah, here we have 11 calls for SI Silvergate at the 150 strike expiring October 15th. So 1 week till expiration. So yeah. What's the cost basis here? Don't really know what the cost basis is. What's 150 times or what's 11 times 32? Whatever that is. Don't really know what the cost basis is. But yeah, this right now he's up. It's probably like $3,500 or something. But yeah, right now, no, that's not $3,500. That's $350. Oh crap. Yeah, so this was around like a $350 YOLO, and right now he's up 20.5K, $20,500. That is up 5,800%. It's actually the wrong button. I meant to hit the JPAL. This is coming from a guy who lost 200 on Tesla today. Sorry about that, 1010. I did not know that, but that sucks, dude. Sorry to hear that. But I'm glad you have a sense of humor about it, you know? Have to be able to laugh at yourself. Can't be too serious. SI bounced off that 150 level hard. I like that play. Make it free, let it ride. Well, let's see what SI is at. 162. And it kind of looks like it's flagging here. But it also kind of looks like a cup and handle. High RSI. I'm not liking this. It looks bearish to me. It's looking bearish to me. So, alright. So yeah. CyberRider007, thanks for the update. Congratulations to you so far. Yeah, dude. The play itself, very well done. We went over this yesterday, but it seems like, actually, it wasn't exactly the best strike and expirations. But there is a lot of luck involved here, let's be real. There's a lot of luck involved here. This went on a major run. So the play itself isn't the best. But the timing was good. That's what saved it here. So, decent play. I don't really like it though, but decent play. And yeah. Right now we got 1 week to go, and this is a good amount in the money, 162. But anything can happen in 1 week, and just looking at the TA, looks very bearish. Cup and handle, high RSI. So personally, I would just cut it right here, dude. I really don't think it's going to get much better than this. And even if it does, like, why are you being so greedy here? There's no need to get greedy here. At least do this. At least if you're going to let it ride, cut your initial cost basis, whatever, $350 or whatever it was, $400, and then let it ride. I mean, to me, you should even cut half. Yeah, if you're going to let it ride, cut half, dude, I would say. But yeah, personally, I'd just cut everything, because this is already absurd. Got really lucky. Chart looks bearish, so I'd just cut it here. This could be the top. And if you don't let it, if you're not going to cut everything, then at least cut a lot. Like, please cut half. I don't really know what you really want. You can't ask for too much more. 5,800% in a week, and he still wants more. That is insane. There's no reason. There's absolutely no reason to hold this for another week. But hey, this is Wall Street Bets. We're talking to an ape here. So I just pray that it doesn't go down below 150 next week. But yeah, CyberRider007, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Not over yet, but you're in pretty good shape here. And yeah, dude, not the greatest play, but you got pretty lucky. So, in my opinion, you should just cash it out here. Be grateful for the tendies, cash it out. No reason to gamble any longer, in my opinion. But if you do want to gamble, please at least take out your cost basis, probably even half. So yeah, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Good luck, and please post updates. SI has just been ripping. On Monday, it was 120. Up to 140, back to 130, open 140, up to 150, open 160, rejected 170 hard. So yeah, like I said, at 160, it's probably not going to get too much better. I just cut it here. This guy's being too greedy. And today bounced on news. All right. Didn't know about the news. The guy want to be a millionaire. Yeah, he's trying. I mean, from 350 to 20,000 is pretty damn good. I don't know what he wants. The apes are like, what is bearish? Is that flavor of ice cream? What is sell button? What is the sell button you talk about? All I know is YOLO. All I know is YOLO FD. All right, last one. All right, so this one's from SHIB Army. I didn't even know this was a subreddit. Surprised this isn't in Wall Street Bets Crypto, but yeah. This is from the SHIB Army subreddit. So this is by Mac Gambino. He says, don't be this guy. Do you guys want to know what pain feels like? I bought 12.3 trillion Shiba Inu for 2,000 in January. Sold for 18K profit. Today it would be worth $87 million. See, I can't even give the BitConnect because it didn't go timber. Yeah, that's just really unfortunate. Really, really unfortunate. I don't know if I have any memes here to... Oh.
Bruh.
Damn it! Damn it! Why did I sell my Shiba Inu? Why did I take 18K? I should have just held. I should have diamond hands. I could have been worth $87 million. Yeah, pretty nasty stuff. So I can kind of relate. Like, I had Dogecoin at half a cent, and I sold for And I sold at 1 cent for 100% gain. Made like $1,000 there or something like that. But damn. $87 million? Holy crap. So yeah, what can we learn from this? Maybe sometimes you should just let your poop meme coins ride, cause why not? You never know. Maybe it'll explode one day, and you can be worth 9 figures. That's crazy. Yup, insane. He's the Bitcoin pizza guy for Shiba. Yeah, that's a good analogy. That's a great analogy. Although the Bitcoin pizza guy probably worth $1 billion. Close enough. Sometimes I can't stand to watch plays that I leave money on the table. Can't imagine this. Yeah, this would hurt for a very long time. But hey, at least he made 18K, right? We always say green is green, green is good. So, hey, at least he made 18K. At least he didn't lose any money. That's why you got 2 diamond hands crypto. Yeah. I might have to buy some of that Nano Dogecoin, huh? I mean, not anymore, but the next poop Doge Shiba Inu whatever ripoff, I might have to load up on that, cause why not? $200 is 8.7 million. Even $2 Shiba Inu worth 87K. Yeah, I should have put $1 in there just cause why not? Never sold any crypto I've bought. Unfortunately, that's not much. That's a good thing, 1010. Crypto is a long-term diamond hands. So, maybe you should load up more. Not financial advice. Still holding Verge, even though I think it's going to 0. I remember Verge. I used to have Verge. I was in there when John McAfee pumped it. He shielded on Twitter. And, I think I sold for 100%. I think I sold. I didn't make much, like $500, but yeah, I remember Verge. Those were the good old days, the McAfee pumps. So, not quite sure what you should do there, Marvin. Either dump or hold, but yeah. I remember Verge. Good times. Floki coin. Yeah, that's another one. Floki. Floki, and what are the other ones here? FOMO baby, right? FOMO baby. Frosted cake. What is frosted cake? Anyway, yeah, FOMO baby is another one. And Pepsi Doge and Nano Doge and whatever. Ridiculous. 2K to 1 to 18K ain't bad. Nope, he can't find happiness in saying that 87 million. Verge still alive at 2 cents. I actually don't know if that's more or less than what it was a couple of years ago. I think it's less, actually. R.I.P. McAfee? Yeah. R.I.P. to a legend. Although the guy was pretty nuts. Did you guys, this is unrelated, but we're just chilling now. Did you guys see that documentary about John McAfee? And how he was wanted by the U.S. government, by the Fed, so he ran to like Belize or whatever. And then he hired a private militia and pretty much became a warlord in this town. And then was just dating all the women. He had like 10 girlfriends or something. And he really likes it when you, well, how do I make this PG? He likes it when you defecate in his mouth. He had one of those fetishes. He liked it when you did the deed in his mouth. I thought that was pretty hilarious. Oh, Marvin saw it. Yeah. So, what a legend. R.I.P. to a legend. This guy truly lived life on the edge. So, I think he got a lot out of life. I think he experienced enough to go out happy. So, yeah, hope he's doing well wherever he is now. Baby Dogecoin. Yeah, that's another one. Baby Dogecoin. And like Doge Killer and yeah, there's a bunch of them. Just hold Verge another last bull run. People will get greedy. Or or you could do that. Hold it and then dump it during the next run. A man with a very diverse microbiome. Yeah. A legend. Alright, guys. That is the show for today. So, finished a little early. 6:48. But yeah, guys. Great show today. Thank you to all the regulars who came in. Really appreciate you guys as always. Thanks to everyone new who came in. Appreciate you guys as well. And thanks for everyone who stayed till the very end. Really appreciate you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. And yeah, thanks for the interaction, for the chat today. This was a great show, made possible by you guys. So yeah, thanks for the show, guys. This was a successful show. Great way to end the week here. I'm hoping the free crap Coinbase gave me have 40 worth of AMP, Compound, Stellar, Lumen, and other crap I've never heard of. Maybe $40 will be a couple thousand one day. Now see, Tenton, what you can do is you can cash that and put that $40 in Nano Doge. You can make 100 billion% in a day. And yeah, that $40 can actually be worth a couple million if you do that. If only. Yeah, I don't know what AMP and Compound are, but Stellar is pretty good, so you can hold that one. I don't know about AMP and Compound though, but that's pretty good. $40 of free stuff. That's pretty generous. All right, guys. Anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns? Take a look at the watch list here. So should I hold on to DATS or what? Because I'm still in here. I'm down $150, but I don't know. I'll decide when we get off. Got to look at the chart more after we sign off here. Cool. Let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. Oh, yeah, and by the way, let's go Knicks. Let's go Knicks. Basketball season starting. Let's go Knicks. And the Nets, but, you know, this is a Knicks city, not a Nets city. Anyway. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.